You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this village in France, in Savoie, in the French Alps. So let's hear how it is pronounced locally. I've seen other French pronunciation channels pronouncing this wrong, okay, so you gotta know this one is the correct one, the one they use there. Samoëns, Samoëns, moins. Samoëns is how it's said, the S is silent. Samoëns is how it's pronounced. Some might say Samoëns, but no, locally, Samoëns. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.